Bro!
The four terriers.
I found my brother. I found my brother. That's a bark. That's a good bark. I found my Dominican brother. Where you been this whole time, bro? Where you been at?
Aquí en Dominicana.
Bro,
Dominican Republic.
my brother said I just found my brother, bro.
Wellington.
I never met nobody.
The Duckman.
I never met nobody with a bark like you. That's that's amazing. That's amazing. Good job, bueno.
Thank you.
Bueno bark, bro. Good stuff, bro. It's nice to meet you, my Dominican brother.
Gracias, igualmente. Thank you.
It's the same for him to meet you.
Bro, his might be better than mine, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Chat, who's better, bro? Chat, his shit might be better than mine, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Bro, his might be better than mine, bro.
The best dogs, man you ever heard.
Yes.
Que si tú eres uno de los mejores.
Chat, bro. Chat, who's better, mine or his?
Pregúntale en qué país había un mejor perro que
In
ese.
what country have you seen a better one than him? A better dog than him.
I've been at 100 countries,
Ha estado en más de 100 países.
and I never seen a bark.
Y nunca